we're gonna go for round 2, redemption. Work slower, work smarter, think about what you're doing. Now, the reason the shackle fell in the lake the last time was because I wanted to have the threads running towards the starboard side of the boat, and they were on the port side, and so I flipped it around where I intended to flip it around, and that's why it fell in the lake. So I'm gonna do a little bit better job thinking about everything, going a little slower, and success, redemption. It's always good to get something right.